Hi, my name is Joel, I'm 17.
And I'm Joel's mum, my name is Jenny, and I'm not going to tell you my age.
I joined Stanley College because after I completed year 10, I lost interest in school and I decided that I wanted to be a chef instead. So I got offered a position at Stanley and I decided to take it, and since then I haven't regretted my choices.
And as Joel's mum, I took him down to the intro session, September 2020, and I actually started in hospitality when I was Joel's age. And when I was at the intro session, I thought, oh, I would love to do that. I did ask Joel, would it be okay if his mum tagged along? And we've actually been a good team, I think, and we've actually, as of tomorrow, we've completed Cert 3 in commercial cookery, and it's been a great journey.
Yeah. It's been very fun.
Yeah, we did working at the Perth Convention and Exhibition Centre in term
2.
Term 2. That was cool, and we actually got a job from that, which is really great. I'm actually off to work after college today. And then, what happened at work-based training, Joel?
I got an apprenticeship at the work-based training, the Rose and Crown in Guildford.
So, come to the Rose and Crown in Guildford and Joel can cook for you. It's very exciting. So, it's a great thing where Joel really, school wasn't his bling towards the end there, so getting into this, and now he's got a career, thanks to Stanley and the fantastic lecturers.